Alrighty guys, let's talk mesh. My name is Matt, welcome to Tentworld Archerfield. Today I want to talk to you about why getting a fitted Oztent RV mesh is perfect for your Oztent RV. So let's get into it. Now I know what you're thinking, mesh is mesh, right? And you're not far off it, but there's one big differential. By having a cut to size mesh for your Oztent, it allows you to sink pegs through the proper holes instead of just through the mesh. And I myself have used basic generic meshes before, and there's nothing worse than getting out to your campsite and finding that stinking great big hole you left in your mesh is frayed right out and rendered the mesh completely useless. Now the Oztent mesh is completely cut for the 5 different sizes of Oztents. It features a hemmed in side as well as a brass eyelet, and it's relatively, unbelievably affordable actually, considering the Oztent's range of products. So with the mesh itself, you get the mesh, you get a nice carry bag, as well as some pretty good pegs actually, which are in this peg bag here. Alrighty, nice and simple for your dirt. We would recommend getting some sand pegs if you plan on doing any sand camping. Other than that guys, this is mesh for an Oztent. My name's Matthew, and come on down to your local Tentworld or else jump online and grab one today. Cheers guys.